Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share about how to install a faucet on a water hose. Watch the video until the end, so you don't miss the step-by-step on how to do it. Have you subscribed to my channel? I really thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I really hope you subscribe to my channel. Let's start the stages. First, we prepare the ingredients. PVC pipe, small paintbrush, the rope is small, and finally the heater blower. We insert the brush rod into the pipe. Then we heat it using a heating blower until the PVC really becomes flexible. If we feel that the porolon is flexible, we loop it or tie the rope to the porolon. Where is your country from? I really enjoy getting to know people all over the world. I really hope you leave a comment below. Or maybe you have another idea. Do you like my video? If you like it, press the like button and share it with your friends. Oh yes, don't forget to press the bell button so you don't miss my latest video. Let's try our work today. What do you think about the results of this work? Don't forget to press the subscribe bell button and like and share my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you always have a nice day, my friend. See you in the next video.